Hello everybody, it's Chic again. Hello, welcome back to my channel. That's fun to say, to my channel. So today I'm going to do something really basic. I kind of put some feelers out to a couple friends, what should I put on my channel next? And I know that I wanted to do a couple how-tos in terms of makeup. Oh, my dog is trying to come say hello. Hello. Hi, baby. Come here. You gonna say hello? Say hello. Hi. Oh, she's standing on me. Ow. She thinks I'm talking to somebody outside. Buff. You get him, baby. Okay, now get off. I put some feelers out to some friends. She still thinks I'm talking to somebody, so she's kind of freaked out. And I knew that I wanted to do some tutorial type stuff on makeup on my channel. And so I was like, maybe I'll start with, putting on fake eyelashes, but I have some friends that don't ever wear makeup, and they're like, whoa, 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 you need to take a few steps back. So today I'm doing something really basic. So today I am starting with some foundation, but, hold on, I got to find, there it is. I'm not going to do a liquid foundation today. I will do that in another video. I'm going to do a powder foundation. And the reason why I'm doing that is because that's a little bit more approachable if you're not used to doing makeup and you just want like a light or a light to medium buildable coverage. So I will show you the products that I am working with. I am working with BareMinerals today. Now I've already gotten on, hello Meg. I've already got on a moisturizer. It's the same one that was in my last one. Alchemist Hydra-Repair Day Cream. And I have on, it's the POREfessional, there we go, from Benefit, yeah, from Benefit. I've got this on as well, the POREfessional, as a primer. Hello, are you going to be, this is my guest star today. Say hello to Meg. Hey, baby. Oh, she's like, yeah, put me in that spotlight. Put me in that spotlight. All right, baby, you got to get off me. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to be using BareMinerals. Now, I really like BareMinerals because it has a light to buildable coverage. This is the matte version, so it says BareMinerals Matte. They do have the original one. I like the matte, but they're both good products. This is in Fairly Light. There we go. Let me see if I can get that to actually read. It says Matte SPF 15 Foundation. It's got titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, so it's got a little sunscreen to protect that face. I'm also going to use their concealer. This is called Well Rested, and it is for under your eyes, but I mean, it's a concealer, so I just use it wherever I use it. Here, in my highlight areas, here, because I got dark circles. Ain't it lovely? I've got my base. My face is moisturized. Now, you want to moisturize your face and have some sort of a base. Thank you. With a powder foundation, it's a good thing. I'm just tapping it into the lid. It's a good thing because it helps the product spread and you can build your coverage up rather than just if it's on a bare face. Always have a base, even if you have oily skin. That's a what's it called? That's a common misconception. Oh, I have oily skin. I don't need moisturizer. You have oily skin because you're not using moisturizer. You can get a moisturizer that helps absorb that oil, but if you're not nourishing your skin's going, oh my gosh, I need to put out all this oil. Ah, I need to hydrate. So if you hydrate it, it won't do that to you as much. We can only do but so much. So with the BareMinerals, you tap some into the lid, which I did, then you take your BareMinerals brush, or at least a foundation or kabuki brush that is good and meant for mineral makeup. You swirl it around to pick it up. You give it a little tap so it's not quite as heavy. And then you do, now they say do it in an E. So, E, I just put this all over. So I guess it's a little bit of an E. So you swirl it around, come back out. So this is just like a one little coat. And you can already tell it's gotten rid of some of that redness and unevenness. Now you can still see that redness on my nose because got a little pimple there. But it won't be there long. Today we are just doing the powder foundation, like I said. I do have a liquid foundation. Now if you want to try like some Covergirl mineral foundation, you do you, boo-boo. This is just what I use. I will never say you have to have this product. I'll just say whether I like a product or not. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Tap, tap. And now I'm going to do a little bit on the eye, but I'm not going to really focus on the eye because I'm going to go back behind it with the concealer. There's a reason it is called foundation. Foundation goes first. You want your foundation first and then your concealer. I'm going to do some extra love on that nose. I've got a neighbor outside. I wonder if they see me talking to myself. Ooh, see, just a little bit of concealer. Or not concealer, foundation. All right, and we always want to go a little bit into the neck. There we go. Y'all know my weird faces. Or if you don't, welcome to the family. What? You are a part of the family. You are a part of the family, Meg. Yeah, you're a part of the family. All right, next I'm going to use, like I said, the concealer. This is Well Rested, and I use their concealer brush. So this is the BareMinerals Max Coverage Concealer, and that's what it looks like. Oh yeah, I didn't show y'all my nails. They were orange, but the orange nail polish that I have is not really a good quality, and if I just barely hit my nail and it bent, it would crack, and the nail polish would crack and then peel. So I did red, but I kept the ghosties. I know I got dry cuticles. Don't judge me. It is what it is, but they're my ghosties. Fierce, Meg. Fierce. Channeling a little Tyra Banks there. Fierce. Alright, so we tap a little bit into the lid. Yeah. Alright, so the way that I work this brush, you take it, you're trying to get it into the brush. You don't want it to just sit on top of the brush, you want it in the brush so it's carrying your coverage around. So it's like tap, drag into the product. So then we tap it off. So I've got dark circles. I don't know if you can see in this light because there's just light straight on my face. But yeah, this is purpley and this is other. So you take this, and I go all the way up to the lash line. I do it a little bit back and forth, and then I touch and drag down. Now I want to shut my eye after I've gotten up close to the lash line, because I don't want to be throwing a bunch of product in my eye. You'll see people who, when they do a lot of eye makeup, their eye itself, ooh, look at that difference already, will look red. That's because they're throwing a lot of the product into their actual eye. And it doesn't like it. You can already tell the difference. So I'm going around the whole eye because I want a nice even base. But we also don't want this harsh line as a difference between the concealer underneath here. So we want to do like a triangle. So from here, triangle here, up in there. And that is going to brighten the area. Now you can use a contour palette for the brightness here. I just go ahead and bring down my concealer. So that's the difference. I need a better quality camera, y'all. But it's not like this channel is paying the bills or anything. This is just for funsies. So, ooh, I got more neighbors outside. They will see me talking to myself. Whoop, sorry. Not sorry. But yeah, I'm not investing in a ton of equipment for this channel at the moment because, you know, when I said, oh, it doesn't pay the bills, I don't get anything for this channel. Like, you have to have a ton of subscribers and monthly views to even, for them to even consider monetizing you. Look at that. Just the difference. And then once I've gotten up close to that line, I close my eye so I'm not putting product into my eye. This is just going to even out. So I'm doing right here. Go around my nose ring. Now, you don't want to put makeup all up in your nose ring if it's new. You want that to be healed. Mine is very healed. Okay, so if I were just going to go with this, I would just get a big floofy powder brush. And translucent powder. This is Covergirl TruBlend. Basic translucent powder. Big floofy powder brush. Swirl, swirl, swirl. And do it everywhere and bring it down into your neck as well. So this is just a very basic minimal look. I would just get some this is going to be a mascara right now. Get some mascara, put that on, and just 5-minute face, done and go. Evens out your skin tone. Now you can also do this with some other products. This is just what I chose to teach today. That's very approachable. If you're nervous about liquid foundation or blending things, a powder foundation is really, really easy to blend and is very approachable. So that's what I chose to show today. Thanks for watching. Put it in the comments what you want to see me feature and show next. And like and subscribe, please. And if my channel gets popular enough and I actually get monetized, then I can actually start getting higher quality equipment and higher quality products to show to you guys. Huh? Win-win! Alright, love you. Bye!